Hi, my name is Devontae Gibson, collision instructor here at Ohio Technical College, and today we'll be taking our class to Atlantic Emergency Solutions.
My name is Mike Greathouse. I'm the general manager here with Atlantic Emergency Solutions, the Collision Center in Macedonia, Ohio. I think we're roughly in 7 states. There's 23 facilities throughout those 7 states. 20 of them are service centers, 3 are collision centers. So the collision centers are very busy all the time. We do pretty much anything 3/4 of a ton or bigger here. We do straight trucks, we do tractor trailers. A lot of fire equipment goes through here. We are willing to help train with anything that you guys would need future-wise, stuff like that, tools, anything like that. We fabricate a lot of stuff in-house and everything is painted in-house. We are in need of collision techs desperately.